It's time, boys and girls. Back out here again, Friday morning. Got the day off work. Weather's beautiful right now. We just had a cold front come through. Gonna get these dogs collared up and get them out there to the woods. All right, her shot. Oh! I don't know if that was us though. Might have been a guy in a stand.
Tell me something. We're in the well field, still hunt area. Okay. Try to load these dogs back up. Alright.
Yep.
No. It looks like they're heading a little to the north. Just on the north side of Schoolhouse. I think they don't quite have it up yet. North of the feeder. They're across right there by the bay. Couldn't get a head on it. Going to Schoolhouse.
The other dogs they're going to, there's the blackjack.
Okay, these other two are running a deer, going to Schoolhouse. Good sized deer, but didn't get to check its head.
All right, who's ready to get a big boy up? You ready to go? 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Get him up, get him up. Come on. Come on, come on, say, get him up. Come on, get him up, get him up. Come on. Come on, get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up. Get him up, get him up. All right, hunt 2 of the morning. We're putting in on the block that we saw the 2 bucks at. Put in like 4 packs of dogs this morning. So we should have these woods rolling here pretty good. So we just put our young puppy Kona out. She's already trailing, so here we go.
We're starting to move in towards that big bay right now.
Yeah, I'm standing inside right here. I ain't far from it. There's about 10 head of dogs in there though.
If they jump something, we ought to be able to hear it.
You want me to let them go, Corey, or pick them up?
Let them go for a minute. Let's see if they can figure this thing out.
10-4. Get them up.
Hey, Chris.
Go ahead.
Now we got one up over here. Don't know where they're going yet, so we'll see. They got a bunch of people lined up over there. Hopefully, they either get them or they turn them or keep them in the block.
I just saw it's a doe. It's going down there towards Goolsby.
Is it a big doe?
Yeah, it's a pretty good sized doe. If you get down here towards Dirt Dolly and Goolsby.
Yeah, my puppies are on that thing. Oh, smoke.
Huh? Big doe. That's what it is. Hopefully they smoke them.
One in the Todd box. I don't think the dog's on this. I think the deer had horns. I can't swear to it, but I do.
Back it up, Todd.
I will.
Said it went in the Todd block?
10-4. I'm gonna pack it up right now. I'm not waiting. It had the head low, and I think it had horns, but I'm not.
Alright, I'll be at Carroll's Corner in just a second.
Which way was the deer going, Todd? No, maybe the same deer. I don't know. But I packed it up. Deer going south, Todd? It's going,
It's right out to your left, Corey.
Here across the Christmas dogs are running around here. Across in front of me. There's one of the other dogs. There's another deer just crossed right here. The Christmas dogs are running, but we couldn't tell what it was. Those dogs are coming up here. I think the deer just crossed right back in front of me when I was turning around. It did. I seen him right here. I'm right behind you. Deer's headed to Donnelly, guys. Headed to Donnelly.
You saw Corey right there?
Just seen the back end of it. It was a big deer. I put some more dogs on. We got dogs on it, I assure you.
All right, they saw the deer right here.
Head running in there.
Damn.
Straight west, guys. Straight west.
Still at 4 corners.
Robbie.
On the dog on the side. Parallel.
Deer just crossed the Superman Road right there at that camera. I didn't check it. Going north.
Heading north?
Heading north, yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Had some action this morning. Last 2 nights, man, it's the dog run has not been that good. I think the full moon has got them staying bedded down pretty tight. So it's the way it goes. Good time though. Should have a lot more of these videos coming soon with some better footage. Hopefully get some kills here. We'll be doing a lot of dog hunting here in the next 6-8 weeks. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that notification button to make sure that you're around for all the videos, guys.